Hi, in today's video I want to talk about this cool pet carrier that I just got from Amazon. I want to give you a couple of close-ups and show you how it works. This is a mid-size portable pet carrier and with dimensions of 17.5 by 11 by 11. This pet carrier, when you get it, it's totally flat. When you get it, you have two pieces. This is the bottom part that is hard with the Velcro on the bottom, and there is a zipper size. You can take the insert off and replace it and wash this part if you want to. Assembly is super easy, of course, if your cat doesn't bother you at the time. You lift it up and you have zippers on both sides. You zip it up. Now the carrier becomes rigid. Of course, the floor right now is soft, so in order for you to have a solid floor, you slide this part inside. There is a Velcro corresponding to the Velcro on the inside, right here. Slide it inside, zip it up. And as you can see, this carrier also works as a toy for the cat. So my cat is already inside and enjoying the carrier. There you go. On all sides you have a screen, so your cat, wherever you're going, can see through. My cat is about a year and a half, fits perfectly inside. If you're gonna have a kittens, probably you can fit two of them easily. You have the straps right here with the Velcro, which you can secure like this. And now you can carry that. And here we have a shoulder strap, so you can carry your kittens inside. You can open it from the front. The screen, from what I read, is super tough, so your cat should not be able to make a holes through it. You also have a zipper on the side, so you can open this side. And on this side you have a little pocket, so if you go to the vet you can put something on this side, and this side also can be opened. So it's a really great carrying bag for any animal. As you can see, you can also use it as a toy. What I found out with my previous bags, I leave them in the room so my cats can get used to it, play with it. Next time when the time comes to go to the vet, they are not afraid to jump inside, and now your pet can be safely taken to the vet. Also, very important safety feature, there is a short leash attached to the bottom of the carrier, so wherever you're going with your pet, you can clip this to the harness on your pet. So additional safety feature. It's a good light carrier, pet friendly. I love it, and my cat loves it too. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.